So plank is a really great strengthening exercise for your entire body and core. So what I'm going to have you do is try it with a gold ball. It's going to be the easiest plank you've ever done. You're basically going to put the ball right in the center of gravity, which is at your pubic bone. Have your elbows underneath your shoulders. I like to use the heel of my hand, spread my fingers, connect. First, I'm going to have my knees down and toes over. Then I'm going to go ahead and straighten my legs. What I don't want to do is use my glutes. Like in normal plank, we're using every muscle and bone to lift. We want to feel lifted, but we're letting that bone sink into the gold ball, and I'm letting my glutes relax, and it's opening my sacrum, and then I keep my head in line with the spine, like a nice long crown of the head reaching. I don't let my belly drop or my ribs drop. Everything stays with all the elements of plank, but now you just relax into it. My spine is supported, my pubic bone is sinking into the ball, and it's opening up my whole hip area. Now add some very good concentrated deep breaths into your pelvis. Do about 10 breaths like this, and then just come off the ball to the side, relax, roll over onto your back, and just feel how that just energizes your whole body and it gets your core ignited.